Three-digit subtraction, practice 1. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice three-digit subtraction. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please copy this problem down. 791 minus 377. Let's subtract this together. If you have trouble lining up your numbers, you may use lines to separate the place values. This will help you keep track of what numbers to subtract. We will begin with 1 minus 7. We'll circle the 7 because it is the biggest number. The big number is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. This 1 will become an 11. This 9 becomes an 8. Now we can subtract 11 minus 7. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, with 8 minus 7, we'll circle the 8, touch and count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, in the hundreds place value, we'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6, 5, 4. Our answer is 414. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you a set of 2 problems. Please copy these down. 800 minus 534 and 824 minus 566. I'm going to give you a few moments now to answer these problems on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these problems together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy down what you're missing, or pause the video to give you more time. Let's begin. We'll start with 0 minus 4. We'll circle the 4. It's on the bottom, so we have to borrow. That 0 becomes a 10. We cannot borrow from this 0, so that 0 has to become a 10. And this 8 goes down to a 7. Next, we'll cross off the middle 10 and make it a 9, so that the first 0 can borrow from it. Now we can count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Next, with 9 minus 3, we'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8, 7, 6. Finally, we'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 266. Next, we'll begin with 4 minus 6. We'll circle the 6 because it's the big number, but it's on the bottom, so big bottom borrow. This 4 becomes a 14. We cross off the 2, it becomes a 1. Next, we'll subtract 14 minus 6. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. For the tens, we have 1 minus 6. We'll circle the 6. The big number's on the bottom, so we have to borrow. This 1 becomes an 11. We cross off the 8. It becomes a 7. Now we'll count backwards. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Finally, we'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 258. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you another set of problems. Please copy these down. 406 minus 179 and 475 minus 185. I'm going to give you a few moments now to subtract these on your own. You may begin. We're going to answer these together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy what you're missing, or pause the video to give yourself more time. Let's begin. We'll start with 6 minus 9. We'll circle the 9. It means the big number's on the bottom, so you have to borrow. That 6 becomes a 16, but we cannot borrow from the 0. There's nothing to give. So 0 becomes 10. We cross off the 4, it becomes a 3. Next, we cross off the 10 to become a 9. For the 6 to turn into a 16. Now we can subtract. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Next, for the 10s, we'll do 9 minus 7. We'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Finally, in the hundreds place value, we'll circle the 3, touch and count. 3, 2. Our answer is 227. For the next problem, we have 5 minus 5. I'll circle the 5 on top, touch and count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next was 7 minus 8. I'll circle the 8. The 8 is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. The 7 becomes 17, and the 4 goes down to a 3. Now we can subtract 17 minus 8. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Finally, we'll do 3 minus 1, 3, 2. Our answer is 290. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we practiced 3-digit subtraction. Thank you for following along.